We are back. This time, you know what it is. Supercomputers! That's right, we're doing supercomputers. Well, we'll eventually be getting to supercomputers. We have several things to build first. First thing we need to do is the aluminum train. Get the aluminum back to the main base. Then we need to build the heat sinks, cooling devices, and radio control devices. We actually are building some radio control devices already, so... but then after that, OC supercomputer. This is all special alternate recipes for these supercomputers. I like this recipe, OC supercomputer, because it uses assemblers instead of manufacturers. And yeah, less, smaller is better, usually. So, let's get this party started. I'm in camera mode. Alright, there we go. First thing we want to do is train. Don't think I want to try and merge these. Let's look at the map. What do we got on the map? This is aluminum here. Yeah, it's best to just bring it straight to the base. So, we will need another train station. Where's a good place for that train station? I mean, I could go chop down these trees and put it up here. We could have it loop around this rock. Hey, welcome to the stream. We're building supercomputers today. But we gotta get our aluminum from the aluminum factory to our main base before we can do anything. So, I think I'm gonna chop down these trees. Do I have a chainsaw? I don't have a chainsaw. There's a no, there's no chainsaw in there. I guess I'll go craft one. Chainsaw. Okay, what am I missing for a chainsaw? I need screws. Screw that. What, there's 6 screws in the depot? This is screws right here, right? Nope, that's reinforced iron plates. What do we got in this one? Nothing. But we will just put a depot on there. And... okay, now we should have screws in the depot. Cool. Grab some. Should be enough. Gotta have a depot for everything, you know? Alright. Now we can make a chainsaw. Cool. Got my chainsaw. I'm gonna go cut down these trees over here. We're gonna build our other train station, our aluminum train station on this rock. Oh, this is not good.
She makes 342 gigs.
What's that?
She just makes 342 gigs.
343?
Yeah.
That's a lot of gigs. But it's not a terawatt.
She probably makes Tera. Terawatt now.
I can tell you just joined because I lagged out there for a second. Okay, let's get back to chopping down some trees. Okay, see, yeah, I didn't have enough space in my inventory. I definitely want to keep this. I'm still dependent on biofuel for my flying juice. It's like I'm making supercomputers, but I'm still using biofuel. Timber. Well, let's go get these trees up here on top as well. Oh, come on. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna make a train station here before we get into the supercomputer. So it looks like my inventory is full, so I'm gonna go and let's get this bad boy on. I'm gonna go put this stuff in my. That wasn't a very good launch. Okay, we're gonna put this in our biofuel generator. This is seriously old school. You can tell we are. When we built this thing, we didn't even have industrial storage containers, but we do need it to make our liquid biofuel, which we are kind of running low on. Okay, let's switch back to this. Okay, this looks good. We'll just drive around the rock and we'll put our train station right here. Let's go a little bit higher. Come on. Is this on the... Yeah, it's on. Gotta make sure it's on the global grid. We just need two terminals. What do they call them? Freight platforms. We need two freight platforms. I think the train, let's go, we'll have it come this way, so that way we can extend it that way in the future if we need to. And let's line this up right. Not exactly what I wanted. I want it on this line and centered right there and face that direction. Okay, that looks good. And for our freight platforms, we're going to have the output on this side. No. Did I get that wrong? I think I did. Yeah, I did. It's okay. Rotate. There we go. Hey, how's it going? Leo from Brazil and Bassett. It's good to see you back. Yeah, step one here. Train. We need train. You know, yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna go ahead and run this thing. Let's get this party started. But we will do this. Yeah, the good thing about doing train is that, oh, we need to power it up first. If we power the station, then we can fly the whole way there. I want to put this on 9. Put it on 0. Come on, put it on 0. Come on. Put it on 0. There we go. Now it's on 0. And let me power this up first. And this is going to be, make sure we rename this thing. This is Cliffside. Aluminum. Or we could call it Cliffside we already have a Cliffside North, so this will be Cliffside South. And the other thing we want to do, let's just connect it to this guy here. Okay, so now we should have power on our rail. Aluminum factory is that away. So
Here, can I show you something?
hold on un momento. Be right back. What?
Cut this down.
Yeah, you get oh, that thing floats away? I didn't know that. That's cool. Apparently there's some lighter than air in there. Hey everybody, I'm back. Sorry about that. Apparently when you cut down those things that have a bulb on top, the bulb part floats away. Which way do we want to go? I think
Doesn't really work when you blow it up though.
I guess we'll just go straight across and then we'll go on the land once we get over there.
How much outside is that? Looks like enough.
There's a Mercer sphere. They're helium bulbs. They also looks like they explode though. I don't know. I just saw it flying up. I didn't watch it very long.
Look through the window and notice a thread. Are you a temple?
If I had a body, it would be a temple.
You have no body.
I don't think we're on the same line here.
You see lines where there are curves, shallows where there are depths, consume our blood.
I will continue gathering data, I suppose.
Yeah, no. Can we get up here? We're just gonna. Come on. Come to Papa. Oh, you're not gonna let me put it in there? Oh, track's too long, it says. Track's too steep. You're really gonna make me give you get the club out? Come on, get out of here. Aluminum factory is over there. I want to get up there, so... Are you pissed off, buddy? Here we go. Oh, yeah. Come on. This is a little... I was going to say ugly, but no, it's beautiful. Oh, uranium. Come on. Yeah, we can go this way. Oh, really? I didn't even bother you guys at all. What are you doing? You dead? How about your buddy? I was totally going to leave you guys alone. Just passing through, but no, not enough space. Let's see. This is actually what we want right here. There's something good in here, huh? Suppose it is. Oh, just a passageway. Never mind. What? What do you mean invalid placement? What don't we need? Actually, let's just put this guy in here. Anything else can go in there? Well, whatever. We definitely don't need automated wiring. Alright. Okay, now we're good. Wait. These nuts. Yeah, so let's actually blow one of those things up or chop down. Chainsaw. These things explode, huh? Do you have to shoot them? Or? Oh, they just disappeared. Let me, Die! Okay, well. Back to trains. Aluminum factory's right here. We're there. Are you shooting at me? Are you serious right now, bro?
You can shoot their bullets to explode.
You don't want to shoot them in the face because they have a lot of armor there. You shoot them in the torso or the back. Still alive?
If you shoot in the eyes, it's a weak spot.
There he goes. He's dead. He's a little bit. Oh, I don't like that guy.
Try shooting one of the fireballs.
I need to switch to this. This dude here. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, where is he? Well, I just destroyed my nuts. You still alive after that? There he goes. Okay.
You should have like a garden update.
What does that fire, the guy that shoots at you? Oh, he's a hog. I don't have any room for hog remains.
Yeah, they should make a garden update where you can like grow your own berries and make it.
Okay, let's just blow up some of this stuff. Actually, I kind of want... I need some more wood too, so we'll chop down some trees. Hey, welcome to the stream. Building the train station right now to get the aluminum back to the main base so we can start working on our supercomputers. Trying to get more subs on YouTube, so feel free to subscribe. Hit the bell for notification. Streaming almost every day now. Be enough. Okay, so we just need sheets and we have casing here. How much are we building? I don't know. These guys here. So these guys are building sheets. Oh, is there? We only have one dude making casing at 60. Let me see what we're gonna use. We want, we need a lot more casings. We need 260 casings per minute. Well, we'll deal with that in a little bit. This way is easier to extend, so we'll run the train out this direction. Train station this way. Right there. And freight platform this way. This way. Okay. This. Perfect. I thought we had a big power here. There we go. Wire's too long. What should we name our station? Any ideas? I cannot read that. I don't know what that says. I'm thinking Aluminium City. Aluminium Place. It's very original, huh? M-I-N-U-M Ville. Aluminiumville. Perfect. If you guys have a better suggestion, please let me know. I will change it. Okay. Now we just need to connect this up. I don't think it's going to reach there. Right here. And we want to go to the right. Okay. Aluminiumville. So this is the top. I'm gonna take these off. Not sure what's happening there. I did not build this one, so it's very confusing for me. Perfect. And this one in there. Make sure. Yeah, I guess that's correct. Everything is moving, so that means we're looking good, I guess. All right, let's put a train on there. I don't have the other side of the other station finished yet, so we'll put the train on the other side. Get this. Rejected. So we just got to finish the loop on this train station, put the train on, and get our aluminum back here. Here, let's switch. Oops. Where is it? Track is too long.
I'll watch your stream for watch time.
There we go. And on this one, we want to take a left, which we're taking a left. If everything's powered up, we can put our train on. This, we need to set these to unload first. And unload. All right, train time. Choo choo. That's backwards. That's correct. And 2 freight cars. Okay, and we need to set the Timetable, we're going to go to Aluminumville, Cliffside South, save, turn on self-driving. That should be it. Here comes our train, right through the waterfall. What are the odds this train is going to work the first try? Let's see how we're doing here. The train. Beautiful. Seven to 3 odds, huh? I did a bunch of train cleanup yesterday, so I'm feeling fairly confident. Should I have done that? That seems a little stupid. There we go. All right, come on, baby. Yeah, 9 to 1, but you never know. You know, these trains are a little bit finicky sometimes. I had a problem on this train over here where it kept stopping at the station, stuck in docking. And I never did figure out what it was, but I deleted it and rebuilt it, and then it started working. Okay, now we actually need to get the casings all the way over there, so maybe this wasn't the best place for the train station, but whatever. Alright, we're live. Yeah, I agree. Just the number one tip for fluid is don't use a full pipe. But you kind of can't get away with it with nukes. Okay, so we need to get our aluminum casings way over there. Which way shall we go? Actually, let's go under. So we'll bring it out here, drop it down below, bring it over here, and run it over that way. That seems like the right way to do it. I mean, I haven't done... this whole thing is a big mess, so I don't know why I'm gonna try to make this one clean, but not super clean. A little bit. Put it right there. Which there? It's the wrong direction. Close enough. Beautiful. Okay, that's the right one. That's the casings. And then let's see how far over we want to go. Hey, Incognition.
That's me, bro.
That's very cute emoji. He looks very hungry. It's like Barney. So we're gonna need to go probably right about here. Yeah, let's go right here. Better turn on my flashlight. It's kind of dark under here. Let's put this in straight mode. What is this? Oh. You know, the good news is because we are under here, nobody can see the horrible mess we make. Can I get under here without plummeting to my death? Yes, I can. So, yeah, this is a different... We kind of screwed up and didn't put this on the grid in the first place. Why are you going at this freaking angle? Oh, because we're in straight mode. Let's just get this thing back on. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. We are going to bring it across up here. Let's just go up here and start this part. We'll put it... What? Is this the right way? I think that's correct. I'm going to go over here. So, don't really want to build on the end of this line. Kind of want to start building over here. So this is computers right here. We need heat sinks and we need cooling systems. Let me check the recipes really quick. So cooling system, we're gonna do this cooling device one, I believe. Yeah, motors. We should probably do this one back at the main base, so we won't do this here, but we will pipe them out here. We'll belt them out to here. But here we want to do... I mean, we're definitely doing supercomputers here. Or are we? Oh, are we? Maybe not. I mean, circuit boards are over there. Let's check that radio control unit. We want to do radio control system, which has circuit boards, casings. Yeah, so we need these crystal oscillators, but everything else is over there. So maybe our better bet is to bring the crystal oscillators back over there instead. We don't have a lot of room over here. That's the problem. Let me go look at my board over here. So we want to use heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is rubber and casings. We should have that recipe. Here it is right here. And cooling device, both of them. Oh, this sucks. I need both of these recipes. Okay, well, we need this one first, so let's take that. And then we're gonna have to rescan in order to get cooling device. We already have the overclock one. Which recipes are we doing here? We're doing OC supercomputers. We've got cooling device. We don't. Radio control system. Do we have that one? We have radio connection unit. Radio control system is already unlocked, yes. Cool. So we just need, I guess we'll have to rescan. Let's see what drives we can rescan. Quick wire stator, iron alloy ingot. I think that one is, yeah, I'm definitely not going to do that, and I'm not going to do this, so let's go. Okay. Let me check how many we have in the pool right now.
What if I watch it on all 4 of my YouTube accounts?
So there's only 3. Wait. Oh, it's because my game's not saved. Let me just save the game so I can. Okay, yeah, so there are 4 in. Yeah, cooling device is 1 of 4 in the pool right now. So, if I rescan twice, I mean, my odds are pretty good at getting it. So I don't have any hard drives right now.
Charcoal. That's actually not bad.
Which one is garbage? Plastic. Flexible framework we kind of maybe want. Biocoal and quick wire cable. Let's rescan this one. There it is, cooling device. That's the one we needed. Cool.
I had a hard drive on me.
Okay, so we have all of the recipes now. Heat exchanger. We should do this one. Let's just go do this one right now. Because we got rubber there and we got the casings here. So centrally located over here. I'm confused. There it is. So casings there. Did we get casings out to here yet? I mean, I could delete this and put it right here. This thing is temporary. Heavy modular frames. Let me check the modeler. So we're doing. Oh, we got a new sub. Thanks for the sub. we're doing... It's just 2 assemblers and 60 casings and 60 rubber to do our 20 heat sinks per minute. So we don't need a lot of space. So we can put it right here. Huh?
You have codex do your self-roll thing.
Okay. This thing is temporary, but this one is kind of permanent. But I don't want to take it down right now because it's the only way I've got heavy modular frames. How about here? Actually, we got space right here. This looks like a good spot. This is perfect. But we do have these things we need to move. Screws. That's a lot of screws. Okay. And I'm not going to do a blueprint for this because it's really easy to build. Put one there, another one there. And, I mean, one's coming one way and one's coming the other way, so we'll just do it that way. These go this way, and these ones go this way. And we'll bring it back this way. So 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh, is this backwards? Yeah. These are not splitters, these are mergers. Okay, that's all we need, and then we're doing heat exchange. $30-30, no power. There we go. All right, now we just need to get the parts. So, I mean, I still want it to go under. Let's do this. It's under. I think we brought it part way. No, we didn't actually bring it anywhere. So we'll just put a splitter on right here. Have it face this direction. Put a splitter on it. Yep. And then we can take this one over here. This is out, so the bottom one's in. Oh, well. It actually works better if I do it the other way. I didn't need to delete that. vertical lift. Alright, we want this to go the other way. So this one is going to go right, and this one is going to go left. Okay, then we can just put this on here. Put a through right here. Just I don't know. Maybe there. I actually want to bring it out a little bit. That. Okay. Now we just want to go connect this guy. Straight mode. Nope. Not straight mode. Default. Alright, so we should be getting casings, which we are. Now we just need to get rubber over here.
Wait, did you upgrade the steel factory?
And we'll do the through hole. I did upgrade the steel factory. I just added pipes. I didn't change the amount of beams that we have. Okay, that's the rubber. I should probably go place that hole before I do this, just so I know exactly where I need to go. This is this one, so it should be like right about here.
What are you doing with all the bridges you're making them like Supacomputas? I was gonna use them to upgrade.
I have some more. I have some. I think they're in my box of goodies right here. I have 5. You want them?
No,
I just put them in the depot.
we're almost completely full.
Okay, that should go right in there. So now we should have rubber. We do. Okay, that should be enough for our heat exchange, our heat sinks. We are actually making 60 of both. Well, we're making, I think we're making like 300 rubber, but only making 60 casings. So this is basically going to consume all of our casing production. We do need to beef that up for one of these other recipes. So let's see. 10, 10. So we're going to just put a industrial container right here. And we'll put, oh, I need one of those back. What's it? Actually, I should probably be able to make it like this. Okay. So now this thing should be doing heat sinks. It is. Yeah, heat sinks are done. Train is done.
Is this temporary?
No, the heat sinks are permanent.
Oh, we're, you get aluminum casing from my aluminum factory. That's nice.
What's that, bud?
You got the aluminum casing.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So that's why we did the train first.
You should build a logistics floor.
And then we also did the heat exchanger, heat sinks, so those are done. So cooling device and radio control units. We're actually doing radio control units, but they're not fully automated. Let me go see what's missing on those.
Can I build a logistics floor?
Sure. I mean, I don't usually build a whole floor. Sometimes I'll actually put another, you know, some more concrete under there, but most of the time I just fly underneath and stick them to the roof. And it's kind of like sweeping it under the rug, you know? Not that this base is beautiful or anything, but I don't really care what goes on down there. So this one, yeah, this one is not automated at all. But I think we were going to do the different recipe. Let's see. The other recipe is crystal oscillators, casing. So this is the one that's going to use a lot of casing. So we should probably go back to the aluminum factory and
I mean, I could upgrade our casing.
we need 260.
A minute?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that.
Oh wait, let me see. 60 plus 200. Yeah, 260 is what we need for this. We're doing 5 supercomputers per minute, and so to do that we need 260 casings. Here's the this is the layout that we're using. So 60 rubber, 60 casings make 20 heat sinks. We got nitrogen gas. We have drone for that. We're going to drone that in. I think we can do 120. We'll find out. 5 motors. That's easy. I'm sure we're doing 5 motors.
I'm paying the aluminum factory right now.
We are doing 4 crystal oscillators right now, and we're doing like 180 circuit boards, so that's no problem. And then we have, I think we have another couple hundred rubber. So crystal oscillators are way out on the end, but everything else is kind of over on this side.
This is horrendous. What did you do? Wait, how many aluminum sheets do you need per minute?
We don't have anything that's automated with aluminum sheets right now.
Okay.
The only thing we're using them for really is just the Mark V belts.
I'm gonna upgrade the.
So, what should we do next? I think I kind of want to get the radio
So how
control.
many aluminium casings do you need?
260.
260, okay. I'm gonna do this.
All right, let's go back to the game. So we're gonna delete this thing, but we're not gonna delete it just yet. It's actually not running at all right now, so maybe we should delete it right now. Let's
Okay,
see.
so what I'm gonna do is I think I'm just gonna make an entirely new factory for this.
Yeah. Okay, so those are deleted. Now, what do we got in here? This should. Let's see how many we got.
Actually, what I could do,
800.
I could summon the refineries.
I got room for it. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Okay. So, yeah, so I guess what we'll do is we'll bring the heat sinks over here and bring the rubber over here. Because we have our circuit boards right here,
Do
and
you have any summer suits?
yeah, I got a couple.
You put some inside.
I don't have them on me right at the moment. I'll give it in just a minute. So we're going to bring the crystal oscillators here, but where do we have space to build? It's not that long. Let's see if we can fit
So
4
260 instead.
manufacturers. Come on. Can we fit? Yeah, we can build it right here. Let's do that. That's a good idea.
Aluminium.
And then we need to get the rubber from over there and what's that recipe again? Rubber, casings, circuit boards, and crystal oscillators. That's the. Did I build a blueprint for crystal oscillators? I do. We're going to use this. We're going to reuse this for our. Where's my line? Probably good. Yeah, it seems fine. And let's get into auto connect mode. What? Aluminum sheets. I have a bunch of aluminum sheets over here. I didn't put the tag ends on, so this thing's not going to auto connect. This end did, but these ones didn't. And the recipe radio control system. Okay. So we gotta connect these belts. Alright. Connect this one to here. Some more power. Powered up. We don't really have room, but that's okay. We can just put it right here. Okay, circuit boards are right here, so let's just do those right away. We'll put those on top. I don't know if that's high enough. We'll put them on whatever one matches. Hey, what's going on? Did I do this the wrong direction? I might have to redo these belts. Yeah, this is going the wrong way. Why are these going the wrong way? Well. Ah, don't do that. Okay. I love doing this part anyway, so I don't care. I don't care if I have to do it twice. Did you go the wrong way? Turn the wrong way on me. This is the most satisfying thing in Satisfactory.
Most satisfactory thing is satisfactory.
This is very satisfactory. Ooh, not when you miss. In the right spot? Okay, that looks correct. Wait. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. I meant to do that. Jeez, how many of those did I delete? Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay. So we want in on this side. If I'd have just built this from scratch, it would have been probably a lot faster than repurposing another blueprint. But then I wouldn't have all this satisfying...
Only satisfactory.
Okay. Okay, where was I? Before I was so rudely interrupted. So, I don't know, let's go, just do it as high as it can go. And that's which one it is. This one. Okay, there's our circuit boards. After circuit boards, we need... I guess we can go do the crystal oscillators next. Let's place this guy down. It's so weird how straight mode doesn't work on that perfect curve, but default does. Whatever's. Do a depot here. Now it's time to get the crystal oscillators. Which we do not have a lot of. Let's see how we're doing on computers. Is this thing full? Yes, the computers is full. That's good. So crystal oscillators, we are going to take from down below. Let's find a good spot. Can we just go through this rock?
Dude,
Yeah.
can you just stop my shoes?
Oh yeah, sorry about that. I don't have my jetpack, so we'll just have to do it the slow way. Almost done with your rocket fuel plant. Awesome. I need rocket fuel. I think rocket fuel is better than liquid biofuel, right? For jetpacks?
I mean, probably.
Let me see.
A little bit of a difference between rocket fuel and biofuel.
Jetpack hog. What? Okay, yeah. So the packaged rocket fuel goes. Yeah, it's twice. It goes twice as long, and speed is much faster. And oh, flight time is lower though. Flight time is about as half, but the height is double. So I don't know. Maybe liquid biofuel is the way to go.
Is there like one other fuel?
Yeah, the ionized, packaged ionized fuel. Flight time is 60, so it's longer, and the height is higher. But the packaged ionized fuel requires, I believe it requires the converter? No. That's just a, never mind. You don't need the converter. You need the refinery. And a power shard. Oh, okay. It requires a power shard, so no. I guess if you are creating power shards.
Summer
Yeah. I hear you. Here it comes.
harvest.
Okay, they're in. I only have 3, so I put all 3 of them in. Okay, why do I have all this stuff?
Did you
Computers.
say like 270 a minute?
260.
Okay.
I didn't leave anything on the ground, did I? I don't need most of this stuff. Alright, that's good enough. Back to what we were doing. Also, booster shards. Yeah, how do you make synthetic power shards?
Something with like time crystals.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is bring those crystal. Yes, it needs converter. Also power shards. Yeah. Oh, it needs a converter. I don't like converters. They have variable power needs. I guess particle accelerators do also, so really not much you can do about it. Okay, what were we doing here? This is a smart splitter. Overflow to the right.
What is this game?
What?
Too steep.
Overflow to the left. Okay.
Freaking too steep. What are you on?
So I'm gonna delete this. Delete this. And we'll put these in here. Where did they go? Did I have them all? I didn't. I thought there was more. Is there a dismantle crate? I guess not. Okay. All right, then we'll put the depot back on here. Quantum encoder, 2 time crystal, 2 dark matter crystal, 12 crystal, 2 excited matter is 1 power shard, and 12 dark residue. So a couple of converters and a particle accelerator. Just for a little bit of jetpack fuel? I guess once you get to endgame, that stuff doesn't matter. I always complete endgame by the hair of my chinny chin chin, so it's like I don't really have a lot of room to spare.
You removed the dimensional depot on the outlet.
I did because I was going to put it back over here on the base. I can put it on the sheets. Is that what you need it on, or the casings?
The sheets.
Yeah, I'll put it on. Just give me a second. You need it right now?
No, I don't.
What recipe are you using? Oh, I don't even have rocket fuel unlocked, so I can't even look it up in the codex.
I'm done with the casing.
Nitro rocket fuel?
I just upgraded it to prioritize casing.
Cool.
So now it makes exactly 260.
Thank you. How many sheets are we making now?
It's 9 per minute now.
That should be fine. I mean, we don't have anything that needs them at the moment.
Aluminium, you 50 mil.
Okay, so these, we'll just bring them right up here. Put a hole in the floor. Right here.
Bro, I'm riding on. I can pet this thing. I just got a shoe that says, wait, you can pet it.
What did you pet?
Bro. Come here.
Crystal oscillators. Okay, we got circuit boards and crystal
Oh
oscillators.
my god, he's flying into the factory. No!
What? Oh, the
Yeah, apparently you can pet it.
nice.
So I just flew right through the factory.
The ordinary recipe uses turbo fuel, so heavy residue, diluted fuel, nitro rocket fuel. I want to see what this nitro rocket fuel looks like. I'm just going to look it up on the wiki real quick. Rocket fuel. So just fuel, nitrogen gas, sulfur, and coal. I've never made that before. I've never made rocket fuel. No, obviously, I must have made rocket fuel because I beat the game. So I think you need rocket fuel, right, to beat the game, or no?
I don't think so.
I can't remember. I just beat it. I beat it one time after 1.0 came out. That's the only time I played since then.
Yeah, polymer resin.
Completely optional. Okay, yeah, maybe that's why I don't remember doing it. I gave you a stack of polymer resin to unlock that polyester recipe yesterday,
Yeah,
but
I need more. So I can make more.
I'm using it all for our new plastic and rubber plant.
Okay.
But the old plastic and rubber plant is not. I mean, you still have resin there, right? No? Yes?
I
No?
don't know.
Okay. You can go over there. Do you just need it? Excuse me. Just need it temporarily, or you need it permanent?
I just need it
Like a stack?
yeah.
Yeah. Just go over there and like delete the belt, and then pull them right off the belt, and then put the belt back on. But don't forget to put the belt back on or you'll bring down our entire factory. Or you can just put a splitter on it and put it into a container.
Oh, explosive rebar. You want explosive rebar?
Not really. I don't like the rebar gun.
Why?
Because it's so slow.
But wouldn't explosive rounds?
Okay, so we just need casing and rubber over here. And then we've got our radio control units. Then we need to move on to cooling systems. And once cooling systems are done, then supercomputers are super easy. I think it's just 2 assemblers or something like that. Because we're doing OC. We're doing 5 per minute, and this is 3 per minute, so yeah, 2 assemblers should do it.
Do you have any smokeless powder?
Yeah, but the way we have our, this is the byproduct for the diluted, and I'm converting it all into plastic and then sinking the overflow on that, and so there's really nothing in the machines right now.
Smokeless powder.
There might be something in the plastic or rubber machine. I haven't been out there since I set it up.
I'm gonna go steal some polymer resin from my interior.
Okay, so now that all that stuff I did underneath, I can put our casings. Did we split it underneath? I think we did, or
Why are the
no?
off there?
That was how we bootstrapped getting back alive. Remember?
Oh, is it my tiny factory?
Okay, so we should put a. Oh, we'll just put a splitter right here. Okay, and I want to just think this through before I start. Where are we going to go? We did bring the rubber all the way over here. That's cool, so that's good. But this, we want to go across right about here where these pipes are. So let's delete a hole there. Delete.
How do you use the alternate resin?
Which one?
The synthetic fabric.
Is that a constructor or is it an assembler? I don't remember. It's a. Oh, it's a refinery.
Oh,
You need water and polymer resin. So you can just add that actually to, you know, where I'm reprocessing that polymer resin. You could just put a splitter on there and put some of it into an assembler with some, or not as an assembler, a refinery with some water. This, oh yeah, it's got garbage in it. So this is where we're going to go across, and we want to take them both across. Oh, is this your subfloor here? I can just put rubber right on this.
use modular frame factory.
split right there. Okay, there's our rubber. And we'll put our casings right here.
What did you do to my beautiful factory?
What? Did I do something? Did I mess up? Come on. Oh no. Oh no. I felt a little vertigo there for a second. No, that's not what I wanted. Dang it. Oh, that's right. We're on the other. We switched. So I'll just go into this mode here. Invalid shape. Put it right there. Alright, let's go see where we're at. What are we doing here? Hey, welcome to the stream. Streaming every day. Be sure to sub, hit the notification. Right now we're working on radio control units. Once we get those done, we need to get our cooling systems, and then we're going to do the supercomputers. Almost ready. Right now I'm bringing rubber and casings over here. Reinforced iron. I'm a little bit lost at the moment. So let's just do this side first. Start with the floor hole. There, and this one here, maybe. Okay, that looks good. Okay, that's the rubber. And this should be the casings right here. Casings is not connected up. I can move these. I can move them later. We're just going to put this one right here. And we'll put this one right there. Let me get into straight mode. I don't know. Okay. It's rubber. I kind of want to do the...
How good is this plastic factory?
Alright, let's just do that. So rubber should be connected. Come on. Come on. Not quite. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Alright, well, anyway, it's underneath, so who cares?
Which tree is the cluster novelists?
I don't know. It's in sulfur? Okay, I think there's just a little missing link for our casing. This part, where's the rest of it? Right here. So this one, connect. On this line. Right here. Alright, casings. Alright, that's it. That's everything we needed for radio control units. And actually, we have. Let's go make sure it's all working. And then we can go and delete our temporary radio control unit factory, which is this guy right here. How many do we got in there? No, that's not it. Oh, we already deleted it. Never mind. High-speed connectors. Okay, cool. What's going on? Why does this not have power? Oh, they were probably daisy chained off of that.
Make sure you use enough plastic, otherwise our factory's gonna get soft locked.
You know, don't daisy chain on a temporary factory, because then when you delete it, then the rest of your factory is going to go down. All right. Yeah, we want to go over here and just check to see how this thing's working. It should be alive. Well, I may not have given it power. Did I give it power? Yeah, it's got power. Look at that. We got radio control units. No space left in depot. That's fine. Let's pop these in here. We have some. Thought we had more than that. Probably left them in that container over there. This container here. Yep, there's 900 in there. I don't think I have enough inventory space to pick this thing up. This. We just need a couple more slots. Why do I have 100 SAM fluctuators on me? Can put these in there. Put that one in there. Let's go get rid of this wood also. I just need one more slot and get all of these. We don't need a stack of wire. Okay, cool. So this guy is our nitrogen, but it's going to need to be dialed in. That's our next task. Okay, I'm happy. Beautiful. Let's go to the board. Go check out the board. Radio control systems are dumb. Cooling device is next. And then OC Supercomputer. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate the sub on YouTube if you would like. OC Supercomputer is next, or actually cooling device is next, but we're probably going to need to go and check on our nitrogen situation before we get too carried away with that.
Does Kibbutz have OCD?
I don't know, maybe. A lot of people say they have OCD, but they don't really have OCD.
Satisfactory OCD.
Alright, let's just zoom on over.
Why does it on the website? So you can just do like /u and then
Let's just actually take. I have another one set up over here. Wait, I thought I had one going the other direction over here. I guess we can put one down. Oh, yeah. You don't want to use auto connect when you're putting down a hypertube blueprint, hypertube cannon blueprint. Okay. I missed. Missed it by that much. Okay, nitro. This is where we want to go over here. There it is. We need empty fluid tanks. need a bunch of empty fluid tanks. Are those made out of casings or sheets or what? They're made out of aluminum ingots. Aluminium. Here it is. Oh, we have a bunch.
Can I change your case set up a little bit? I'm just gonna make it look nice.
The what?
Can I change your case industrial thing real quick?
Yeah, that thing is it's actually fully wired up right now, so it's fully automatic, but it's kind of a temporary. Yeah, I know. Yeah, sure. If you want to clean it up, go for it.
Well, make it a little fun.
More efficient. What are you saying about my beautiful design? I think this takes constructor.
Actually, I'm probably gonna build it on a different floor. Okay,
Wait. Oh. I already have one.
why are you hiding the conveyor spaghetti from the pumpkin?
Because that's just how you do things. So, this really should be on a storage container.
Can I add a second floor to the entire factory?
No, I don't want that.
Can I add a floor above the offer?
I kind of don't like to stack them vertically if we don't have to.
I want you to go. Trying to make it look nice.
Yeah, but then it makes it hard to read on the map. That's the reason why I don't like doing it, because I like to look at the map and see my factory. And if there's one factory on top of another factory, it's very difficult to understand what's happening. This guy's maxed out. Okay. Alright, let's go back over to the nitrogen thing. Did you upgrade our upload speed?
No.
What does it cost? 13. Yeah, we do not have enough Mercer spheres. And then the next one is 23. So we need a total of 36 Mercer spheres to fully upgrade the speed. We're going to have to go on a Mercer sphere mission at some point in the not too distant future. So our only hold up here looks like it's we just don't have enough tanks.
Oh, I found Rub.
Has he got anything good?
No, I got 23 iron rods. Bro, your doggo is a failure.
Don't talk bad about my doggy. $2,100 crude oil into 8,400 rocket fuel, 840 generators, each at 600 megawatts. Really? Are you kidding me right now?
I feed your dog. You might scratch your dog.
840 generators at 600?
Bro, this guy finds stuff so fast.
Wait. What is this, a half a terawatt? Is that what you're talking about? I'm talking to Basley. There's probably some up here too. Let's grab these. Alright, we're going back one more time. Hopefully this will be enough. Where are we at here? Okay, this is definitely not going to be enough. Half a terawatt. So, using all the nitro in the southeast lake area, is that barren area? Southeast, yeah, with the big lake and the big mushrooms and oh, so all your nodes are pure. 2100 doesn't sound like a lot of crude. Well, I guess, what is that? Like 3.5 pure nodes? A pure crude node is 600. How do you get 2100 out of that? Okay. How are we doing? This thing full up?
Is there a way you can have like?
Oh, I guess there's the... Are you fracking? Or is it pumps? Alright, I'm gonna go back. I think I can come back and do more if I need more later, but I'm gonna go all the way back to the main base. Oh, I hit a tree. That's not good. Crude is bumped. Where the hell is my base? Grab some more of these too before we go. Ejected. Okay, now we need to figure out where we're going to build the cooling devices. We're doing cooling device. We need nitrogen, motor, and heat sinks. Motors are here, heat sinks are here, nitrogen is on the drone, we can get it wherever we want. Actually, out here might be the right place to do it. We could do it over here on the other side of the modular frames. but the radio control units are up there. Wait. Actually, maybe we'll rebuild this over there. That's actually a better idea. What is this monstrosity? So we have rubber and sheets right here. We should build the cooling devices right here. Motors are there, rubber and sheets, motor. Nitrogen. Alright, I gotta take just a little break here. I'm going for a little while already. Two hours. All right. Guess we're back.
We're back, guys. You should when like nobody's you can start uploading your stuff on the stream.
All right. Let's get started. Let's see. We are just a quick view of the modeler. So we've got the radio control units, we've got the heat sinks, but we're going to actually rebuild the heat sinks. And what we need to do is get the motors over here. Obviously the nitrogen. We only need 2 blenders. Radio control units are done. Wait, 2.2? Oh, I built 4. I only need 3. Yeah, so we're gonna rebuild. I built the heat sinks, but since I already have the casings and the rubber over here, I'm gonna just move them. There's just 2 assemblers, and then I will do the cooling devices and then supercomputers, and we're done. Almost there. All right, switch back to the game. So I think the easiest way to do it is to do this.
The high-speed connector
No.
factory almost
Split here.
Where are you getting those high-speed connectors from?
And then this one right there. This one.
Bro. Are you belting your high-speed connectors all the way to your factory?
Okay, now we've got this rubber right here. Let's put a couple of assemblers down. Bro,
What?
did you just shoot me?
How much damage did it do?
A third of a notch.
Okay, wait, shoot me with your normal ammo.
No, I'm busy doing something.
This is a homing rifle ammo.
I don't know why it doesn't remember on the second but it remembers all those after that. I don't know. So I need to put here. Okay. Wait. That doesn't look right. Which one did I get wrong? I think it was this one. Okay. Hey, Brent. Yeah, I took quite a break. I played it once when 1.0 came out, and now I'm finally back at it. So let's see. These are my heat sinks. After heat sinks, we need two blenders. Yeah, I haven't really been I'm not much of a beautiful factory builder, but I do love big factories. I don't think this is particularly big, but it's fun. Let's put our two blenders here. I don't really have a lot of plans to expand this, so what shall we do? Guess we'll put it right here. These are going to be too high. These are going to be cooling device, and I just need two. Heat sinks, motors, and nitrogen. These are our heat sinks right here. Kaja Goo Goo. Put it right there. Splitter, and then here we want mergers. How far in are you into your playthrough? What tier? Oh wow, conveyor belt only build, huh? That's cool. That reminds me of like in the early days when this game first came out back on 2019. I had a crazy conveyor belt that ran across the entire map. It was super unoptimized back then, so kind of ruined my world. Wow. Yeah, I just added another train today. This guy over here from our aluminum factory. Get aluminum back here, so we're working on some supercomputers right now. Let's get some power on this guy. We can just daisy chain to this guy. Okay, need to get motors. How many motors are we making? Let's stators. This guy's doing motors. 10 per minute. That's good, because we need 5. Oh, it's because we got the doubler on there. So now we just need to get the motors over there. I think we'll just go underneath. Oh, you do the sushi belt? I was doing sushi belt before. Use smart splitter for that? Oh yeah, smart splitter has all that. You can pick exactly which ones you want to route. That's right. I use the smart splitter all the time, but I mostly just use it for the overflow. So what we're going to do here is we got to bring motors over. You know, I kind of don't want to do this like this. Well, let's just put this on and see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to redo it.
You should look, you shoot for like lower sub goals. So like when you complete it, like
I'm gonna put this one here, here. Mergers go in that direction. Then we'll put a splitter on this one. Go in this direction and there. Okay. I prefer that way. It's a little bit cleaner in my opinion. I'm gonna do this. 1, 2. now we do have the question. Well, I'm not going to expand this. I can't expand it that direction anyway, so I don't care. We'll just go this, but this one we're going to route this direction because we're going to bring the motors from over there. And then we need a hole in the floor. Good. I'll go a little closer. Okay. So we've got the heat sinks. We will have the motors in a second, and then we just need to fix that drone port. We'll probably bring the drone port, maybe put it up on that rock. And we also want to do a little subfloor over here. That's good. Motors are right here, so that's fine. Always best to go place your hole first so you know where you're going. This is motors. Should just split them off here, or should we? Let's split them off right here. We can squeeze it in. It's kind of ugly. We might be able to do. It's probably not going to work. We put that there. Oh, hey, it worked. Okay, that'll do. This is definitely going to be too close. Yeah. We need to go one further out. Yeah, we got this is actually still very early game motor factory. I have another one over here too. This one is a blueprint based one. This one we just kind of winged it. This is the modular frame blueprint based. So there's really 5 of these, and they all snap together. Same thing over here. There's 4 of these. I've been doing more blueprints on this playthrough. It's kind of got mixed feelings on them. You know, sometimes the game is just so good at building that it doesn't really. Sometimes it's not. It's not really that much faster, and then you end up trying to fix like belts not connecting, auto connecting, and all that. But I really, oops, that's the wrong direction. I really love the building in this game. It's just so good. Okay. Kind of built my subfloor a little bit weird here, but we're just gonna do this anyway. We're gonna go straight down the middle. I'm definitely got a clip, but I don't care. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to do blueprints where I can just, they're like totally self-contained, like that modular frame factory blueprint. This one right here. All you gotta do is connect power and 1 iron. So this is iron in. Oh, that's actually iron out on this side. Yeah, so this is the iron in right here, and then power right there. And it makes modular frames come out over here. So it's not the most efficient way to do it. It's probably much faster to build the old, you know, multi-line style like these ones over here. I don't know why I built that subfloor. I'm not even going to use it. I'm going to do this though. There. I hope this is going the right direction. I think it is. Is it already connected? Whoa. Oops. Oopsie doodle. Yeah, it's already connected, so it should be going the right direction. course. Yeah, that's not really lining up, but since I did it underneath here, nobody can see. Alright, so we should have our motors. Yeah, I was making some videos a couple years back, and then I took a big break. But now I'm back at it. So, how come we don't have motors here? Did they... We are getting motors. It's because I split it off, so... I mean, we're only getting 10 per minute, but that's all we need. Yeah, I have one video that has like 150,000 views. Everybody seemed to like it. Okay, it's nitrogen now. Once we get nitrogen done, then our computers, our supercomputers, are very easy. So for nitrogen, I'm thinking we're just going to put our drone station right up here on this rock. No, I need to snap that. Let's actually use the other, this one here. Yeah, I still play Minecraft. I mean, I was playing Donut a bunch, Donut SMP a bunch. I was having a lot of fun. Now that they added Autocrafter, you know, it's kind of almost a factory game. And Donut was pretty fun because you know, it's like an economy. So I was building redstone repeaters and comparators and selling them, and made $500 million doing that. It was quite fun. But then when they changed the shop, or they basically broke, what was it? Yeah, so they had this it was the cell multiplier, is actually what it was. They changed the cell multiplier. Yeah, Autocrafter is in the game now. They changed the cell multiplier on Donut so that it made it harder for people to build large farms and make money, and I was making all my money based on them buying my redstone components to build their farms, and so that kind of killed my business too. But it was so much fun. I really enjoyed I made some cool factories in there, which, you know, it's not quite the same as this game, but it still is pretty fun. So let's get our drone port up here. Transportation, drone port. We'll put it this direction. Actually, we want it to hang out over. Right here looks good. Yeah, I have both the Bedrock and Java, but yeah, mostly only ever play Java. Just because that's where all the, well, I played a bunch of modded as well, so. Okay, we have packaged nitrogen coming in, so we're gonna have to unpackage it. Actually, yeah, we'll put this over here, and we'll put our unpackager over here. Oh, I forgot. We're gonna need fuel. Damn it. Yeah, I feel the same way about Bedrock. I mean, I started playing Java a long time ago. Every time I try to play Bedrock, it just feels weird to me. So this one is going to be cooling device, nitrogen. Okay, let's put a drone in. And he's going to go to packaged nitrogen. Okay. And unfortunately, my fuel is over there. I forgot that the fuel was all the way over here. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the same thing I did here, just for the moment, because I don't want to mess with that right now. I'm tired of running belts all the way across the map. Or all across the factory, at least. Okay, so this is fuel here. Store all. Except I need this, and I need this.
What is this? Is the phase that you unlock Blueprint Builder Mark II the same phase as the phase that you unlock Coal Power?
Blueprint Builder?
Uh-huh.
2? Blueprint 2? Mark II?
Yeah.
It has its own tier.
I know, but is it like on the same phase?
Oh, the same phase as coal? No, it's on phase is coal is phase 2. Blueprint Mark II is phase 3. Have you ever played on Donut SMP? They do support both Java and Bedrock. No. I gotta pick up my stuff. Okay, I'm just going to cheat on the fuel for the moment because I don't feel like getting it over here right now. And for power, looks like this one right here. A little bit ugly, but okay. All right, so we got power here. He's got fuel. It sounds like he's actually about to take off. He is going to go take off and get us some nitrogen. So now we need to put a packager here. That's the wrong direction. Okay, and then here we need to take this and run it right back into there, but let's bring it like that. Okay. Okay. Now we just need to get our nitrogen from here down there. I have no idea if we're going to have enough nitrogen. Did I get a floor hole for this? Where's our nitrogen going to go in? It's going to go in right here. So I guess we will this one. Okay, that's too long. Oh, it doesn't need to go all the way to there. It just needs to go to here. Okay, and we want to put the T on there. No, that's railway. Where's the T? This guy right here. Really? Is it because I've already placed it? That's not what it's supposed to do for horizontal to vertical mode. Alright, let's go with middle. Okay. And I think I've got a floor hole, or do I not? We didn't buy it. I'll go over to the shop and buy the floor hole. Management? I think there's one in here. Okay. Thanks, man. So we're gonna put this, I believe, right here-ish. No, I'm gonna go in one more. I'll put it right there. And then this may be long enough. Yeah, it's gonna go right through the rock, but I don't care. Okay, so did we get our dude came back? Yeah, we've got some packaged nitrogen gas. This needs to unpackage nitrogen gas. All right. Then we just need to connect this to here. Well, that's ugly.
What's the difference between noodle and curve?
It's just a different curve algorithm. Noodle was there first. They just added curve recently. I used to use noodle all the time. I like curve like for these long belts. I think it looks pretty cool. But mostly use straight or horizontal and vertical for pipes and stuff. Yeah, I don't do a lot of color stuff. Maybe later might go paint some stuff. My kid is helping me on this build, so he's doing a lot more of that than I am. But I think looks like we don't really have anything color left. There was a bunch of stuff over there, but you know this, you know, these factories, like usually when I start, I bootstrap and just, you know, have a really horrible mess, but then I clean it up and start deleting it as I actually get my real factory going. And so a bunch of that stuff, you know, our whole bootstrap factory was right over here. And then once we got all that cleaned up, so you can see I still have a couple of things, like this is a temporary, I think this is high-speed connectors. I haven't actually built the proper thing yet for it. Yeah, this is high-speed connectors. So you can see it's a little bit ugly. There's just... but I'll eventually delete that and build a real one. Kind of like for this factory up here. So, we have the nitrogen here. We're making cooling systems. Nice. So we actually have everything we need to do supercomputers. We just need...
I'm making blueprints right now.
We just need a couple of assemblers. This is my radio control units. This is my cooling systems. Bro. I had to put a floor right through your storage containers. I mean, I didn't have to, but I did. Okay. Let's lay down some Supercomputas. This whole stream was leading up to this moment. We just need 2 of these. We're doing OC Supercomputer. Okay. Which way are these guys going? I think it's... Is this it right here? Yeah. So we'll bring that from this side. So we'll go both directions. These ones... Yeah. This way. And then this one, we'll rotate that around and go this way. Great. No, I don't want it there. Yeah, I'm actually super excited to get this done. Redo this. Just which one is it? We have it on the lower one? Yeah, it's gonna be on the lower one. Oh wait, this should be a merger. That. All right. And the last one is this guy over here. A little bit of a mess, but no problem. What we'll do is I think it's 3. Or is it 4? That look right? Yeah, it looks good. All right. All right. We are building supercomputers. Yeah, I'm addicted to alternate recipes. So I do I basically start the game getting as many hard drives as possible. Like for right, as you can see, I got lots of unlocked recipes here. Currently, let me check what we currently have. Yeah, there's only 5 recipes in the pool right now. I like to keep that pool as small as possible. That way I can get the recipe that I want. Right now is quickwire cable, quickwire stator, bio coal, iron alloy ingot, and coke steel. So nothing I care about in there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm so obsessed with the with my recipes. I gotta get it right away. It is definitely much more fun when you have the rifle and the jetpack. Yeah, like this recipe right here. This is like one of the coolest recipes in the game. You can build supercomputers in an assembler. Okay. I don't. You see what I did to your? Sorry, bro. Okay.
Storage containers is active 5.
All right. One last thing we need to do here is put our dimensional depot on top. There we go. Supercomputers in the dimensional depot. We did it. Success.
Oh, you made a supercomputer factory?
It's done.
Is it fully automatic?
Yep.
Permanent?
Well, there's only one missing piece right now. I don't have the fuel running over here to the... I just have a box of fuel, and it looks like I'm going to need to run it quickly because it's burning a lot of fuel. I have no idea what the throughput is on this. 20 per minute. Oh, that's fuel burn. Item transfer is 2.39 stacks per minute. So 239 of these. I think that translates to 1. And then how much do we need? We need 60. So in theory, we're covered. Let's put one of those measuring things on here and see what it says. This guy. Zero per minute. Perfect. We should be getting 5 per minute.
The throughput thing is very accurate.
I mean, it's an average over time.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. I'm playing with my kid right now. My box acts as the server, and he logs in via IP address. I'm kind of surprised that they don't have a server set up. Even like just a headless version that you can run on another box. Let's see. You getting any numbers? Look at that. It says 6 per minute right there. That's what I like to see.
How much does one go in for an awesome sync thing?
Oh, they're worth a lot of points in Awesome
Try it.
Sync. Do we have an Awesome Sync around here?
I'll just make
special.
Wrong way, bro.
Okay, so our current points are... Oh, well, it's kind of hard to tell, but we're at 100 and... I don't want to put 6 in. I'll go put this stuff in here. This is wood. This one's leaves. I'm making supercomputers, but I'm still making biofuel. Okay, here we go. Let me check the number again. 135. It was like 100,000, dude.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, look at this. That spike right there. So this is at 9,000. 106. Cool.
That's like 3 million an hour. Wait, where did you leave that overnight?
I mean, if you want a lot of coupons. All right, let's go check the board. The board is... We're done. Delete. Delete. That's upside down. Knobs are not fully automated because we have to hand feed the coal.
You don't need homing ammo.
We don't really need homing ammo. I'm going to delete that because I'm not going to use it. And we don't really... Yeah, I don't know. We'll work it. There's nothing big on the list. List is just little tiny things.
System? Did you finish that?
What's that? Cooling system?
Yeah.
Yep. This is the cooling systems right here. And I think it's working. I don't think... Yeah, we have plenty of nitrogen. We're keeping up. So
Are you reusing the containers?
The what?
The containers?
Which ones? These ones?
The reusing the nitrogen things?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So you see, they're going in right now.
Unpackage?
Yeah. So you unpackage them here, converts it into gas, and then those go back in, and they go on the drone. The drone takes them back.
Is it 100% efficiency?
Is what 100% efficiency?
Your factory?
Probably not. Which part? You mean this part?
The entire part.
I actually haven't set the... let me see what it says here on our thing. We'll do it like this. So, 2 blenders. And we have 2 blenders, and they're both running it. So that should work. But we're actually... These probably are... I don't know if these are working right or not. The heat sinks should be 100% efficient. Let's check. These are the heat sinks right here. They're running at 100%, both of them. These guys shouldn't be 100% because it's only supposed to be 5 per minute, I think. Yeah, it's only supposed to be 5, but it says it's doing 6. It's probably just because of the buffer. Once it evens out, it should go down to 5. Then I should make these, should underclock these just a little bit.
These caustic crystal also, that's crazy.
Yeah. Maybe I should just drone the fuel over here.
OC supercomputer?
Yep, that's what we're using. It's burning a lot of fuel. I think batteries are better than fuel for this.
Okay, next is fuse. Did we get fused yet?
No, we haven't done fused. I have no idea how much nitrogen we're actually getting, so we might have enough.
Plutonium waste?
We have 98 supercomputers. Do I have some in my inventory? I think I do. There we go.
Zero pasta.
Well, that was quite a stream. How long did it take? 3 hours. I think I'm going to take a break, Brent. Shut down the stream. Do appreciate you stopping by. I'm looking for more subs on YouTube. I'm not sure. I think you might have said you were already subbed. That'd be great. Yeah, I'd love to have you come by anytime and chat. I'm streaming basically every day right now, so stream in the morning, stream at night on West Coast time. Great. Really appreciate your subs. Appreciate your chat. And yeah, I'm a little bit tired, so I'm going to go ahead and shut down the stream right now. And we'll chat with you soon, hopefully. All right. Have a good one. Thanks, Brent. Bye-bye.